Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing the item or map you want to scale and confirming the reference units. This matters because conversion errors break everything. Next, measure a known physical distance between two clear points using a ruler or GPS. Write it down. Once done, measure that same distance on the map or image carefully to the nearest zero. 5 mm or 1/32 inch. Now calculate the initial ratio by dividing the known real distance by the measured map distance, so you have a working scale. Once you have both measurements in the same units, perform the division to get the scale ratio. This tells you how many real units equal one map unit. For example, 1,000 meters divided by 5 centimeters becomes 1,000 m divided by 0.05 m, yielding a ratio you can simplify to 1:20,000. Make sure to express it in a clear form like 1x for maps. Then verify by measuring a second known distance and testing whether the ratio predicts it. This confirms accuracy. To finish, use the validated ratio to convert any map measurements into real-world distances and add a scale bar for quick reading. Make sure to note the exact unit conversions and round sensibly so results stay practical. Avoid implying false precision. If your conversions differ from reality by more than about 5%, remeasure the reference points and inspect for image distortion or map projection issues, because those commonly cause errors. If needed, repeat the measurement with a different reference to resolve discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.